Guys, Norway is quietly becoming one of the best countries for foreign workers in 2026. If you've been rejected because you don't have a university degree, if you think you need IELTS before moving abroad, or you've been told visa sponsorship is impossible, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you why thousands of employers across Norway are looking for workers in construction, logistics, transport, manufacturing, and other skilled trades. This is about understanding where the opportunities are, who employers need, and how to position yourself the right way. Stay until the end because I'll also show you the official websites you should be using. Norway has one of Europe's oldest populations. More people are retiring every year while fewer young workers are entering the workforce. That creates serious labor shortages. Many Norwegian companies are willing to recruit internationally when they cannot fill positions locally. That's why understanding the labor market gives you an advantage. Let's look at the sectors creating the biggest opportunities. 1. Construction. Norway continues building roads, tunnels, bridges, and residential housing. High-demand jobs include carpenters, electricians, plumbers, concrete workers. Average salary, 4,300 to 5,500 euros per month. 2. Logistics and warehousing. Online shopping continues growing. Distribution centers need workers every day. Popular jobs include warehouse operatives, forklift drivers, package handlers, dispatch coordinators. Average salary, 3,800 to 4,500 euros per month depending on the role and employer. 3. Transport. This sector keeps Norway moving. Demand remains strong for truck drivers, bus drivers, delivery drivers, heavy vehicle operators. Average salary, 4,200 to 5,000 euros per month. 4. Maritime and offshore support. Norway has one of the world's strongest maritime industries. Jobs include marine mechanics, shipyard workers, pipe fitters, welders, crane operators. Average salary, 4,500 to 5,800 euros per month depending on experience and location. Mind-blowing, right? Many of these careers reward practical skills more than university degrees. Now let's see what employers generally look for. First, you need a valid passport. Second, relevant work experience helps. For many trade positions, hands-on experience is often more valuable than having a degree. Third, you should be willing to improve your English. Some employers use English as the workplace language. Others may require Norwegian, especially for customer-facing jobs. Learning basic Norwegian can significantly improve your chances. Fourth, have a professional CV that matches Norwegian standards. This is one area where many applicants make mistakes. A poorly prepared CV can stop your application before anyone reads your experience. Fifth, you must qualify for the appropriate work permit if you receive a job offer. Your employer may guide you through the process, but you are still responsible for meeting immigration requirements. How to find and qualify for these jobs? Start searching on official job portals. Use trusted sources. arbeidsplassen.nav.no. adecco.no, finn.no. These are excellent places to begin your research. Guys, this opportunity is worth paying attention to if you're serious about working abroad in 2026. Now I want to hear from you. Tell me your country. And tell me the sector you're interested in. Drop it in the comments because I read every single one. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications because we regularly share verified information about jobs, work visas and immigration pathways around the world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.